Here's how you can simply download older versions of Capcut. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started with the video. So first up, what you want to do now is that you want to open your web browser. In this case, I'm simply going to open up Chrome. Then once you open up your web browser, you want to search for the term up to down, or search for the website called up to down. Once you do that, you can simply click on it, or you can go back to the search bar, and then in front of up to down, you can simply insert the word Capcut, type in the word Capcut, and that's going to give you the option to go directly to the Capcut app or the Capcut download option on up to down. So click the one that says Capcut for Android, and then it's going to give you the option to download Capcut, and you can then simply see that under the download option there is the older versions option. So you can simply click on the older versions, and that's going to show you a ton of older versions of Capcut, and you can choose or select the one you want to download. And if it ends, you can simply click on see more, and it's going to continue showing you more older versions of Capcut. If you want something like 2023, you have to go, or you rather, you're gonna have to go on the see more option until you reach 2023. As you can see, I'm still in 2025. So as you can see, there's 2024 right over here, and 2024 again. So the more you go down, the older the versions that you get. So without wasting much time, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.